Hey guys, it's me. Hey guys. Hey guys. Hey guys. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So this is the first episode that I will not be eating and I'm so happy and grateful for that. Yes, kasi ngayon pag-uusapan po natin ang isa sa pinakamahalagang bagay ngayon na adult na ako. Yes, adult na talaga. So we will be talking about some stuff related to cacti and succulents. So bago ang lahat ng yan, I have this one. This contains my most expensive purchase of the succulents. So let's open it. Balot na balot, guys. Ito na. Ewan ko ba't na-excite ako. Parang gusto ko talaga ng mga succulents. It relieves my stress.
Wow!
Lalo na pag napapatubo mo siya. Parang nakaka-relief, nakakagaan sa pakiramdam na may green thumb ka and you're somehow helping the community, at least in your smallest or littlest way. Have you seen that? Sumisilip na! Oh my God! It's the roots. Malit lang siya. Flowers. This is a moonstone. So this is from Desert Beauties. I will put their link of their FB page below. This is from South Korea. This was imported from South Korea and it was already air dried. So much for this plant and thank you, Desert Beauties. Pag-uusapan po natin, how do I repot these plants after buying them online, after buying them from the garden center? Because some plants from the garden center, their soil, hindi siya yung ganun nakaka-drain agad ng water. Because I know cacti and succulents really do not need much of that water. And if ever man, gusto nila sa mga dry places lang because they thrive in the desert. So with that, I will share to you the steps on how I repot my plants. So first one is to carefully check the roots of the plants. So i-check po natin yung roots of the plants if there are thriving pests or may mga peste or may mga something man na hindi kaaya-aya sa mga paningin natin. So far wala naman. So for the step 2, we'll be checking or we'll be air drying the roots of the plant. So I asked the seller from Desert Beauties if these roots have already been dried out. So sabi niya okay naman na daw and ready for repotting na. So I'm excited to repot this, which the step 3. So for this step 3, that's the start, the real start of our repotting. We have to choose the right pot for this plant. For the step 4, you have to prepare the soil mix. Sa soil mix, sabi ko nga kanina, parang mas okay if yung sa soil ng cactus mo or ng succulent mo is mas madaling madrain yung water. next step is the repotting of the plant. So, pag i-repot nyo na po yung plant nyo, i-spread out nyo po yung roots hanggang sa pinakababa in order for the roots to get the nutrients of the soil. For the next step, I am a fan of the fertilizer kasi based na din sa experience ko na pag nilagyan natin ng fertilizer, tumataba yung lupa natin and then there's more nutrients to be absorbed by the plants and mas tumataba po yung plants natin in return. So yung fertilizer po na ginagamit ko is the Osmocote. This Osmocote na ilalagay lang natin dun sa top ng soil natin. After adding the fertilizer, then you have the plant now. So the next step is to acclimatize. So to acclimatize, meaning hindi po natin siya agad ibibilad sa araw, parang papakiramdaman po natin siya kasi these plants came from Benguet, came from South Korea. They are from the highlands. They have different weather compared to the lowland. We need to acclimatize in order for the plant to adapt to the weather changes. Yung pag-acclimatize po, ilalagay po muna natin siya dun sa bright shaded area. Pero I suggest that we do research depending on the type of the plant that we have ordered. Kasi they have different needs sa water ranges at saka dun po sa sunlight. I hope na marami po tayong natutunan dito sa episode kong ito. It's my first episode again regarding succulents and cacti. So, till next time, and bye-bye!